What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. Today, I've got a lot to go over. It's been a little bit. I'm back from vacation. I'm feeling pretty good. Uh, it wasn't a very good vacation, but nonetheless, I'm back. And we're going to hop into some things. We're going to hop into a couple different charts. We're going to talk about Pikamoon. We're talking about altcoins in general. And we're going to talk about the entirety of the Bitcoin dominance because I think we are very close to a point where Bitcoin dominance breaks down. So with that being said, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Follow me on Twitter at Fleetwood Trades. And we're going to hop into the Bitcoin dominance chart because Bitcoin dominance currently is sitting at about 57%. And I've got this area highlighted here. This was the time from 2019 to January of 2021 is when this peaked. I'm sorry, December of 2020. Yes, December of 2020 is when this peaked. And then you see the Bitcoin dominance just fell off a cliff. And this is alt season. This is from this point down, this was alt season. And it doesn't last long, but when it drops fast. And we are coming to a point now where we might get a push up, and you see that the previous support levels for Bitcoin dominance here at around 57.3, 57.37, wherever you draw this line, it's going to be relatively close depending on which chart you have. But this area of support here, it broke through, and now that area has been testing as a resistance for the top in the height of Bitcoin dominance. So if we fall through this channel, or not channel, we fall through this rising wedge or this rising triangle, whatever you want to call it, and we fall through. If Bitcoin dominance goes back down to the 40% range, 39, 38%, somewhere in this range, we're going to see a massive influx in money going into altcoins. And this is the time, this peaking area here. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence, do your own research, because even if someone says, hey, this is the time to buy altcoins, not every altcoin is going to do well. It just is what it is. Not everything is going to do well. You've got to be able to pick and choose which ones you believe are going to be the best for you and which are going to maximize your gains. So we know that for me, one of those tokens is Pikamoon. And Pikamoon actually held up well. And I'm going to show you why that is. Simply because in August or July of 24, Monday, July 22nd, the week of the July 22nd, Pikamoon hit a low at about 2.989. And while everything else was going straight down since then, Pikamoon didn't make a new low until this past week. And it only wicked below that area and has now already kind of reestablished that as a floor. So I do believe that this area is going to be a floor price area. I'm going to go ahead and kind of draw this out here because it's not going to be an exact number. But let's just say that this wick here is the bottom for the weekly, and this is going to be like a floor price. I do believe we are here at a floor. I believe that any area, any buying opportunities in this area, anything, from here to here, this is a massive area now, but anything in here is a fantastic buying opportunity. And the team just keeps putting out more and more content, more and more information, more and more areas and arenas and stuff. So the reason why I'm so bullish on this project, and no, I'm not paid, no, I'm not a member of the team or anything along those lines. I'm in the community, I talk to people on Discord, but I'm not paid by any means. I'm not an influencer. I don't have enough, I get like 50 views a video. I'm not an influencer. I don't have any influence. But just kind of taking a look, we take a look at Pika, and just again, like, what have they been doing? So on the 8th, was that yesterday, we got to look into the new arena for the Earth Realm arena, or the new Earth Realm battle arena. This looks absolutely beautiful. This looks fantastic. These are the things that you want to see from a development team. And then we've got, I'm not going to play this all because I don't want to have any issues, whether over Cosmos or anything, trademark or anything like that. But they're working on AI speech and in-game AI speech analysis and being able to have the characters actually really talk and answer questions. This could be really cool. Check this out on their actual Twitter page. Follow them on X, Pikamoon. At Pikamoon Coin. No special characters, no misspellings, no numbers afterwards. There's a lot of imposters out there. Pikamoon coin, that's the one you want to follow. Now here's the deal. Here's the deal with this video, because I do think all season will be happening soon. I know I've been wrong before, but I will also be straight up honest with you. I bought more. I bought a lot more this weekend once Friday's dip happened. And I'll show you that I bought, where is it? I bought more gaming. I bought more gaming right around this price, around 960. So I essentially doubled up my gaming numbers here. This was my initial buy, where I thought this was going to be a local low and was going to actually bounce up from there. It didn't, so I averaged down more. So I was able to pretty much double my holdings for half the price. And it was almost a 50% drop from there. Yeah, so it was a little bit more than the 50% drop. So again, keep adding in, keep adding in. And these are the moves that will make money once the bull market comes. Now I've got a suggestion for you guys. If I can get 50 likes on this video, I have an open trade right now on Sol. I'm on Jupiter because in the US pretty much regulations suck, and it's hard to trade on leverage with any exchange in the US. So I'm using DeFi. I'm on Jupiter. I've currently got $1,953 in this trade, and I think $140 more in this wallet to be able to trade. So I've got $2,000. If I get 100 likes on this, no, if I get 50 likes on this video, I will pull this trade entirely and put $2,000 into Pika directly right now, the moment 50 happens, and I'll post it on the channel just to show you guys that I did it. So that's my dedication to Pika. That's my conviction with Pika, because this is a high conviction play for me. With that being said, guys, that's the video. Keep checking along, keep checking and seeing what they're doing. These guys are working, they're working non-stop. There's always something going on with Pikamoon. I mean, look at this new character. This guy's, I can't wait to see the evolutions of this character, to see this is the baby version of it. I want to see it full grown. I want to see it in its legendary or epic form. There's just a lot going on. Plus, like I said, the Bitcoin dominance is looking like it's going to break here soon. And it may not break out, but once it starts to fall, once it gets back to 56 and then drops down to 54 and then 52, once we start seeing these drops in the Bitcoin dominance, you're going to see altcoins start to really take off. It's going to be like October 23 again. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed. As always, until next time, peace.